So this video is a little tour of how to use Blackboard. So the first thing is you need to go to blackboard.northernc.on.ca, and that brings you to this portal. You can Google it by putting Northern College Blackboard. If you simply put in Blackboard, you will get all kinds of colleges and universities. So it's important that you put Northern College Blackboard to get the appropriate one to come up on the list. Then you put in your username off your confirmation of registration and the password. I believe you can change your password, and then if you forget it, then you would have to go to IT to get them to reset it. So when you log in, you're going to come to a main screen that has a bunch of stuff going on that screen, but really the only thing you need to go to is right here, where it'll say Managing for Success Summer 15. And you likely will have only that course and an orientation course on your list. So you click into that, and that brings you into our course. So the first page is the course content, and basically it follows in order from day 1 to day 12. And when you click into those folders, it has content that you would need for any one of those days. Now, I put the textbook at the top, not the textbook itself, but the PowerPoints. So these are the different PowerPoints for the different chapters that we study. And if we use other ones that are here, then I will add them. So going back again to course content, you can either hit the back button or you can use the tree that shows up in this area here. So if I go to day 1, which has the most content right now, there'll always be like a little notes section at the top to guide you to whatever you need. So I mentioned here that this will bring you to the YouTube playlist that goes with this course, and so any videos I use in the course will be on that playlist. This is the course outline that is required to be posted, so that tells you the breakdown of what we're learning and how you're being evaluated. Then there is the PowerPoints are going to be embedded, the ones that I use in class, so you can go back and review them later. But I discovered that by making the slide share so that you could kind of quickly look through it here, it doesn't allow for you to read the notes. So I did attach the whole file, so if you want to download it and read the teacher notes, because I often write a lot more in the notes, just in keeping with how a PowerPoint is supposed to be created to not sort of overload by text. So you might prefer that PowerPoint with the notes to review later. So it is there. And then whatever else I need for that unit will be showing here. So for instance, on our first day, we're going to do something called a Padlet, and we're going to post stickies on there, and everybody can post stickies by just double clicking and then writing their question. And it's anonymous. You can put your initials or not. But the idea is to put some questions in for what we'll ask our tour guide on the following day. So if I scroll back to the top, I can go back to the beginning of course content using the tree here. But I could have also clicked the link over here, because we have course content, we have discussion board, assignments, email, and some of these you won't see, tools, and your grades. So discussion board is where you will be doing some of your discussion assignments, and so there are discussions here for you to answer, and you do get evaluated on these discussions as part of your course mark. Under assignments, you will have instructions for the assignments that you have to do, and they'll be inside this folder, so you can click into that and see your assignments. Now, you can email me through here, and it will come to my college email. It's a little tricky to use. It's almost easier to use your other email that you can get to through the mynorthern.ca. If you do email me through here, then you will have to select me on this list, and then write your email and send it to me. But if I reply to you, it's going to go to your student email outside of this system. It's the way the system is set up, so just so you understand, you will have to go into your other email to get the answer or response you're looking for. Under Tools, you'll see when I click into it right now, there's a lot of tools there, but there won't be nearly as many. They'll just be the ones that we're using, and I think that you'll find that really helpful in terms of quick links. So that's kind of a quick introduction to how it works, and I hope this video has been helpful to you.